To conduct a capability checklist in TAP 360, you'll need to access your dashboard. And when there, you are going to land on your search and report panel. So what you'll need to do is drill down and select the very lesson that the capability checklist will be on. So module and of course lesson. So let's say for this example, we're going to be doing lesson 3 of module 1. We need to select the person that we're going to be doing the assessment on. In this case, it's Bella, and we'll have a search here. So what happens is you'll notice that the system has presented you with that one lesson for that module within that program. And as you can see, Bella's completed her awareness test, her self-assessment, and she's now ready to undergo the capability checklist by yourself, the assessor. So you can do this on your phone, your smartphone, or a tablet. Of course, if you're out and about in the field, you could be traveling along in a car or in situ on a work site, for example. And this is a very simple tool to use to be able to assess one's capability and competency in this particular lesson. So very simply, click on the red dot, and you'll then open up a checklist of tasks that you'll need to witness the student or staff member perform correctly. So as you stand by and you observe the person's performance in that particular task, you just need to go down with each of the steps that need to be performed correctly and click. Now, if the person doesn't complete a step correctly and you enter, you'll find that the system will return an amber, which means that when you go back in, they can reset and they can go. It hasn't changed their completion, of course, and they are able to go back in at any time with you. Now, that could be straight away. So let's say you do a bit of coaching and correcting, and they're ready to take that or demonstrate their skill set again, go through, and as you stand by and observe their performance, if they get everything right, you'll find that they'll go green. Now, you may have noticed that when we went back into the amber dot, when we took the second capability checklist test, that all the fields were left blank. The system will reset because when you're studying, if you like, or observing one's capability, you need to be able to observe from start to finish that they can perform the task in its entirety. That's why we haven't saved any correct steps. It's very important in terms of your due diligence as an assessor to make sure that all fields are blank when you go back in to reassess one's capability. And that's how you assess an individual in the TAP 360 site.